Here, and this is Brian McMahon with Rocket Plumbing. It is Thursday, March 28th, 2019, and I just wanted to point out that we have pulled the toilet, and we have found some major scaling issues inside the toilet in Unit 1L. So we're going to pull back here. I'm going to show you what's going on. Okay, so we went through. Actually, to get back, we're going to have to go forward. Did we follow this through? Or here? Okay. So we're going to go through this one section where we found some scaling. You notice here, I'm going to flip the camera here. Okay, and that's the bottom of the pipe. That term is actually called scaling. Okay, so if you notice, there's some light scaling here, but there's a couple spots that we hit that look really bad. So you see the buildup right there. And if you look to the top right, that's actually an opening where the other drains are coming in. But there's some pretty significant scaling here, and that just basically means a breakdown of the inner walls of the pipe. It's a 4-inch cast iron pipe, and there's some very significant chunks right there. And if you see the stream at the bottom, it's flowing now, but that's only because the camera's running through it. But if you look to the in between those, that's some heavy scaling, and that's causing what's called soft blockage. So it's not a hard blockage where like a root ball or toilet paper, it's just a soft blockage that's obstructing the view. So if you see those chunks right there, that's very significant. And this is what we're going to have to clean out here, okay? So we're going to have to perform what's called hydrojetting, which is basically instead of the cable machine, we use the jet that puts the water through at 3,000 psi, and it's going to clean all this out. So we're going to do an after video, but for right now, I wanted to show you what this looks like so everyone knows what's going on here. All right. So this is performed from Unit 1L, I believe the unit of 7746. And here we're going to pull through, and I'll see some of the significance of what's going on here. All right, we're going to end the video, and we're going to shoot back in when we're done.